Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about this microphone. Actually this is a condenser microphone, Boya condenser microphone. I'm going to install this with my laptop, and because currently I'm using this to create my videos. I'm using this headphone, Dell headphone. Actually I need to upgrade my sound. Then I thought it's better to move to condenser microphone. Then I thought it's better to go with the Boya at this moment. I think because we can't directly plug this into our laptop, we need additional few gadgets because it's not support directly with the USB. Anyway, here I have to connect this microphone, we need a live sound card. This is my sound card. Actually I'm using this sound card to connect this microphone, and here, and also we need a power supply, because this USB power is not enough to work, not enough for this microphone. We need additional external power supply. Here I'm going to use this power supply as my power supply. Let's say it's 48 watts power supply. Using this power supply, I'm planning to give power to my condenser microphone. Without any stand, we can't hold this microphone with our desktop. We need some kind of a microphone stand. Here I have ordered this microphone stand. Actually it's coming with the additional things. This is the stand I'm going to use to hold this microphone, and let's install these things and let's see how the sound quality, and let's review this product. And okay, let's jump into our unboxing video first. sound card, you can get these cables. Those are actually, this is a power cable, it is a USB cable, and these are sound cables, 3.5 millimeter sound audio jack. You can see these cables with this product, okay. And here with this when you buy this power supply, you can get this cable as well. This is an additional XLR cable, and with Boya microphone we get this cable. With this Boya microphone, then we can use this cable for that. And this is the power supply with the sound power supply. And this is a special cable. Actually, this is a XLR to 3.5 millimeter audio jack cable. We need this cable as well to connect the condenser microphone to the sound card. Okay, let's do this. Here this side goes to the microphone, to the power supply. Okay, it's connected now. To give the power supply to here. Okay, right. Cable, we can connect our sound card. We can connect like this. Okay, and we can in this other side we can connect to this our sound card. Let's condenser mic. Okay, to here like this, and here we need to give the power to the sound card as well. To do that, we can use this cable. We can connect this cable to charging port. Here you can plug this into here. Okay, right. Now we can connect our USB, then it will get the power. Now here we have another audio cable. Using this audio cable, we can connect this sound card to computer. We can connect this using the backing track. Here you can see the port called backing track. We can connect this using backing track. We can connect our computer. Likewise, this side goes to the computer. Now as you can see, this side, that means this cable, it comes from the power unit. From the power unit we will connect this to microphone. Here as you can see that my microphone is still not connected to the this mic stand. I will connect first. I will connect the mic stand with microphone. Okay, let's do that.